Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Lastly, click on the switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu. Click on those three dots located on Brightness slider. Manage Adaptive Brightness the same way and save your changes by tapping on Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!